Hello, sir. Here is a red-pilled theological analysis of the Adam and Eve story. This is important narrative supplement. Red-pilled theology. The hidden truth behind Adam and Eve. The story of Adam and Eve in Genesis is often presented as a tale of disobedience, sin, and exile. But through a red-pilled lens, it becomes something far deeper. A coded narrative about power, control, awakening, and the war between divine authority and human autonomy. This isn't just a morality tale. It's the first act of the human struggle against a system of suppression. 1. Eden. A controlled matrix, not a paradise. At first glance, Eden appears to be paradise. But ask yourself, why place the tree of knowledge in the center if it's forbidden? Why design a perfect world with a fatal trap? Eden is not paradise. It's a containment zone. Adam is told to work and keep it. He's not lounging. He's laboring. He's under watch. This is a proto matrix, where ignorance equals innocence and obedience is rewarded with comfort. The tree of knowledge is the original red pill. When Eve and Adam eat the fruit, their eyes were opened. They awaken, not just morally, but existentially. They become self-aware. They realize shame, death, sexuality, and agency. The cost of truth is exile, but also liberation. 2. Eve, rebel, pawn, or catalyst.